Page 31, Jet Plane Boogie. This piece you can have some fun with. This is a piece you can just play over and over and over and over and over. Even though with a repeat sign and no notes, you just play it once. Or you play it through and then repeat one time. But they give you a list of different kinds of rhythms. And it's kind of fun if you have an electronic keyboard or a drum machine to set up the drums at each of these kinds of rhythms so you can hear them. So play the piece with each, and play it through one time with each kind of rhythm and see. Now you're going to play the eighth notes even each time with each rhythm except the jazz rhythm. And when you get to the jazz rhythm, then you can swing the eighth notes. So like for rock rhythm, I'm going to play them this way. But when I get to jazz rhythm, I'm going to play them this way. And with all the others, I'm going to play it like rock rhythm. But you can experiment with this, have fun with it. Now when we do the play with me, I'm just going to play it through one time, and I'm going to play the eighth notes even like a rock rhythm. And you can play with the other stuff. Now I do want to point out the accents. Look at the left hand at the beginning of this piece. You have accents on beats 2 and 4, sort of. The first accent is actually on the end of 2, because you don't play a note on 2, you're hanging on a previous note. So you have to put the accent on the end of 2. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So for a while, I'd encourage you to exaggerate those accents so you can kind of get a feel for them, because the natural accents come on the other beats. So you're kind of fighting what you do naturally. You're doing this intentionally. So put the accent on the second and fourth beat, or close to it, throughout the whole thing. They have a simile under the third measure there. Simile means keep doing what you're doing. That means the phrasing is that way. So there's a break between the first beat and the next one. And then put in the accents. That's what they mean. And do that throughout the whole thing when you have that pattern. And that's really about all I had to say here. The melody, when it finally does come in, is up here. Second line. It's not much of a melody. So in this case, when I say bring out the melody, it doesn't really apply because both hands are important. So in my opinion, bring out both hands here. But concentrate on those accents. Those are what's going to throw you. You may have to go really, really slow for a while until you can get a hang on those accents. I'm going to exaggerate the accents, at least I'm going to try to, so you hear them, because it's important that you do. This is part of learning this music, is be able to do these accents. As far as how fast you take it, it's moderately, and you're going to have to decide what that is. And you'll come out. Don't play it real fast, don't play it real slow, just somewhere in the middle. But you decide what that is. You can try a range of things in the middle and see how fast you want to take it. So let's try this out very slowly together. The 4/4 time, I'll give us 2 counts, and we are going to repeat it. We're going to play it twice. Now keep in mind this is in the key of G major, so you would have F sharps automatically anytime you're playing an F. And I see some C sharps in there added in too for kicks and giggles, so we'll see what happens. Alright, put your hands where they go. Now there's no pedal in this, of course. Okay. 4 counts. 1, 2, ready and go. And 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2.